Say mm-mm-mm.
She avoids it. She's like, oh, I don't want to do her mess.
My parents used to call her Angelina the Mouse.
Oh, no. Say mm-mm-mm. Uh-oh, it's right. Well, stop jumping. Hold on. A little music to go with our lunch. Are you comfortable? Yeah, Tom and Jerry. So we're watching Tom and Jerry eating our lunch, sitting in our car. We wanted to sit in our car while we ate our food. Saying mm-mm-mm.
What are long-term goals? What are your views on relationships?
Mm-mm-mm.
Why did you come here?
Mm-mm-mm. Who are you singing to? Huh? Who are you singing to? Good morning. You're supposed to be napping, not singing.
No, we're not.
No, you're not? No, I'm not? Okay. You want to get up?
No, we're not.
Okay.
No.
Put on table. Can do Itsy Bitsy Spider? Oops.